So, שקלים פרק ח' משנה ז'. משנה זו היא ההמשך המשנה הקודמת. This Mishnah is a continuation of the previous Mishnah, והיא מוסיפה לדון בבשר קודשי קודשים שנטמא. And it continues to talk about the flesh of Holy of Holies, a sacrifice which is considered to be Holy of Holies, which has to be eaten in the Azara, don't forget. For some kind of reason it went outside. Whatever. Okay? So Rabbi Eliezer Omer, so yesterday we said the two opinions. Either you treat it, the most important thing is the sacrifice, burn it inside, or the most important thing that it is impure, the impurity takes it outside. So Rabbi Eliezer Omer, and each of them has, each of those opinions from yesterday has exception. One exception to the leniency and one exception to the zeru. So each one has one exception. So Rabbi Eliezer Omer, Rabbi Eliezer doesn't have any exceptions. Omer, et shenitma be'ava tuma. It says, it's got nothing to do with if it's inside, if it's not inside. It's simple. It's like this. If it is an avatuma, if it's a severe impurity, basar kodesh kodeshim shenitma be'ava tuma, שהיא טומאה חמורה. In other words, it got impure in a severe impurity. בין בפנים, בין בחוץ. I don't care if it happened inside, I don't care if it happened outside. יישרף בחוץ. You don't want to take severe impurity, leave it in the azara. You don't want to leave it there. Therefore, take it immediately outside. That's what it says. יישרף בחוץ. And there's no exception. There's no exception like the other opinion we had yesterday. שאפילו נטמא בפנים, even if it became impurified on the inside, אין להשעות הטומאה בפנים. רבי אליעזר says, don't leave any impurity inside, ושורפים את הבשר בחוץ. And you burn the flesh outside. ועת שנטמא בבלד הטומאה, and anything that became impure in a secondary impurity, not in the main impurity, in a secondary impurity, בין בפנים, בין בחוץ, whether it is inside, whether it is outside, יישרף בפנים. That should be burnt inside. Why burnt inside? Because it's Kodesh Kodeshim. It's Holy of Holies. It's a sacrifice. Sacrifices have to be burnt inside. That's the second opinion. In other words, his Rabbi, who was the second opinion? Sure, but the fact.
Is less. That's why he's saying.
In other words, he's saying that the fact that it's Holy of Holies out trumps the little tumor that it has.
But the other one also Holy of Holies. The other korbanot that you burn.
Yeah, but it's a severe impurity. Severe impurity you don't want to keep inside. That's the difference. Yeah. Over here, it's a lesser impurity. We'll tolerate. In other words,
it's the Rabbanan actually, no?
No. It's the Oraisa, but it's less severe. Vlada Tuma can be also the Oraisa. It doesn't have to be the Rabbanan. For example, a person.
פה זה the Rabbanan. מה שלמדנו אתמול זה פרוכת, the Rabbanan, לא?
Yes, the parochet was the Rabbanan. I don't think over here it's talking the Rabbanan. I think over here it's talking the Oraisa. אפילו נטמא בחוץ, it says even if it got impurified outside, שורפים אותו בפנים, you have to burn it inside because it wasn't supposed to go outside in the first place. It's Holy of Holies. It's always supposed to stay inside. בבית הדשן שבעזרה, in the place you burn in the עזרה. יש מפרשים טעמו של רבי אליעזר. Oh, actually you might, I see there's an opinion like you. There's an opinion like you.
זה מה שלמדנו.
We learned it over there that they only made a decrease on liquids. We didn't learn it over here. I think those mefarshim also does it. You remember? The Raka liquids, you remember that. Yeah, but it looks like this is the machloket on yesh mefarshim. Some says it's even the Torah, and some says no, it's only the Rabbanan. So that's why he says yesh mefarshim shel tamo shel Rabbi Eliezer. There are those who explain the reasoning of Rabbi Eliezer. לפי שדעתו, according to his opinion, ולד טומאה אינו מטמא מהתורה. That he says the secondary is not, it doesn't make other things impure from the Torah, אלא מדרבנן. וכיוון שמן התורה הבשר טהור, and since from the Torah the flesh is pure, אפילו נטמא בחוץ, even if it became impure outside, יש לקיים בו שריפתו בקודש. Still it remains pure from the Torah, therefore you have to burn it inside. אבל אין ההלכה כן, but that's not the rule. So I don't know what the rule is. Okay. Rabbi Akiva Omer, guys, I'll make it simple. You don't go by everything, you go by the place. Let's make it simple and like this. Makom tumato sham serfato. It says wherever it got impure, that's where you burn it. Im nitma basar bechutz lazara. It says if it was impurified outside of the azara, afilu betuma kala, whether it was severe, the Rabbana, not the Rabbanan, I don't care. Yisaref bachutz, burn it outside. Ve'im nitma befnim, and if it was impurified inside, afilu betuma chamura, even with a severe impurity, yisaref bepnim, is going to be burnt inside. Oh, and this is an interesting one. Usually halacha is never like Rabbi Akiva, and over here halacha is like Rabbi Akiva.